Good morning. On my way to a secret beach to see if it's nice. And yeah, this is the bridge I'm gonna cross now. I made it! I made it, Juggy. Beach. I haven't eaten yet. Of course, and I wasn't hungry when I started driving my motorbike. And I'm thinking like, I eat when I get hungry, and of course then there is no restaurant. I have a waterfall I'm gonna visit after here. Damn, they are very tall. Oh, look at those coconuts. They're gonna crush my skull if I walk under. I am gonna have to walk carefully and make sure there's no coconut over me. This was a beautiful beach and so empty. I mean, I think here will be good as well. It's so little people here. If you want a quiet beach for yourself, this is a place to stay. Holy shit. And the sand is so nice. It's from the rain. That's why. Just one guy walked here before me. Feels like I'm walking in the snow. My footsteps. Good morning. Cleaning the beach. Oh, a little bit too. I wonder what's made this. If it is, I think it's crab, but it looks really weird. Or is it worm? I want to dig, but I also don't want to dig. I don't want to touch it. Here's the resort where you live in a tent. I was looking at that as well. I slept good. It was nice, AC and good bed, clean enough. Yeah, I'm climbing the rocks here, go away a little bit, fly my drone. I think I'm gonna come back here to shoot. Oh my god, look at that. The view. to go visit Waterfall and then start doing cinematic proposal and some photo shoots. Pad kapow
Yes.
with pork and
Egg on top.
huh?
Egg.
Egg, yeah.
A
And
little bit spicy.
niet nooit.
Okay.
And 1 water and 1 Coke Zero.
Hot sauce?
Ah.
1 Coke Zero.
Ah. Yeah. I already had water. I'm thirsty, so thirsty. Bamboo restaurant. Oh, that was the best water I ever drink in my life. Cute little dog and dog. I like this sign. I love it. Walking around without the shoes. So much more comfortable. Thank you. Looks nice. So beautiful. Really good. Perfect, a little bit spicy. You have a pool table here. Pretty nice. I just stopped at this restaurant and it was actually, this is where Martin from Hungary, right?
Hey, yes.
Yeah, where you working with your wife?
Yes, I'm the Lone Ranger of Koh Kood.
The Lone Ranger of Koh Kood.
The Thai Chuck Norris.
Thai Chuck Norris. Now we're gonna go look at the peacock. Are they sleeping?
Okay. You want to go first?
Okay. Oh, they have some chickens. Morten looks like Morten Gås. Oh, there they are. Hello. Very dark. Let's see if you can see them. Oh, and they're jumping. Can you want to come out and play? They may be scared of me. This bird's not so scared. Oh, a little bit.
Be careful with your hair. A lot of spider web all around.
Oh,
like
yeah.
exactly right above you.
Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I'm going down. Look at this spider. Holy shit. Can you see it? And it was just above my head.
Yeah, like these ducks are
This-
weird.
this-
Like
this
they don't
guy
have
was
the
just-
vocal cords.
What did you say?
These ducks don't have this vocal cords. They're just like hissing.
Yeah. That's a weird sound.
Dude, it was like 2 days to catch them.
They were gone.
No, they don't want to get in, and of course we not trained our staff to catch peacocks. Yeah, the waterfall gonna be cool.
You wanna join? Yeah.
There is like a 4 meter high level.
I just wanna go there and fly my drone.
Yeah, you can do that. Like here we can do easily a low angle shot like in the Predator. You know, when Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, of course. It looks exactly like the Predator movie.
You know, I have so many free locations for myself here, and I don't barely do anything.
Hi.
Play the, you know, like Mr. Miyagi type of wisdomful Asian master.
Your surf teacher.
Yeah.
He looks like Mr. Miyagi.
He got the age, 70 something years old.
He got the beard,
Get a mustache, like a,
mustache, yeah.
he's like a Thai soldier style. So mustache, short hair.
He's 70 years old.
70 something, and he
And he's
surfs every day like 2 hours.
surf every day 2 hours.
Yeah.
Fuck. It's not.
Compare what kind of crazy rain we had in the morning. I'm happy you call me here because otherwise I would not come.
Yeah,
I'm here, I can see this every day, and because of that I never come.
yeah. That's the usual story. Yeah. Small, nice little waterfall. So, which way is the best to walk? That way?
Depends on you.
It looks more fun this way.
It's your challenge.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Yeah, they haven't made it for tourists.
And on the left side we can go up the top. Yeah, now it's much higher, much higher.
Can you jump?
Yeah, with my wife we jumped from that top in the right side.
Okay.
Next to that tree. Yeah, but I was super scared. She's not a long jumper.
No, you have to jump. Oh yeah, see.
Like from here it's safe, in the left side. My friend left
Time to
his
fly.
avatar at my controller.
I have both, but I like this. It's more safe. If I use the controller, I can dive, but it's scary because then you use the manual. So it's about I'm just putting the position on the drone and the acceleration. I have to take a. I have a tip for you. Don't buy cheap stuff on Lazada. That's what I did. I bought 2 cheap micro SD card for my camera. So yeah, the end of the trip I didn't get, but I almost got everything. And first now I'm gonna show you how when I walk up to the guy and ask him like, do you want to be in a video? I'm shooting a video for a resort and his girlfriend to fool her, and then the video will come. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. And if you have any tips on what I should shoot in Thailand, I'm gonna start traveling the whole Thailand, so please write it in the comments what you want to see. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi. I'm shooting a commercial video for the resort here. Can I have one shot when you're walking here? Yes, it's great. Yeah, just on the beach here.